I am continuing piping this CO2 rack. Today we are piping the gas cooler and got done in about 2 minutes before a torrential rain pour started pouring down. So that was cool. So got that all piped up, and then I spent the rest of the day trying to figure out all this pump control stuff that has to get done at this job site. So, like, we're on this particular job, I have 11 VFD driven pumps, all doing different things. Some are controlling a geothermal water loop, some are controlling chilled water loops, some are controlling heating water loops, some are controlling domestic heating water loops.
Jesus.
Yes, there is a lot going on here. And then some are controlling a chilled water mixing buffer tank. And all this has to get tied together and made to work in probably the most complex way possible. And all these pumps are controlled off of flow, BTU flow or differential pressure. So is what they're trying to maintain. They're trying to maintain a differential pressure switch set point and also a flow. So this particular store has flow meters on everything. So they have Omnicon flow meters, which
Okay.
I've never seen before, but they are pretty sweet.